When were you detected with PCOS?
When I got married, that was the time that I could not conceive, and that was the first time that I got to know that I have PCOS. For my periods, I took birth control pills. I even got myself treated with the injections, but nothing worked. So one day I was just generally scrolling through Facebook. I actually came across this page. I've been consuming Gynoveda for almost 6 months now. The very first problem as I was facing was irregular periods. So I was really surprised that in the very first month I had consumed Gynoveda pills. The next month I got my periods on time, and that was really shocking and surprising. Then eventually I started noticing the detoxification of the body, and then even I saw the clearing out of the skin. I saw a little bit of weight loss, which is such a hard thing to do. So yeah, I saw a lot of reduction in my hair fall. Yeah, so I would recommend basically the 3x program by Gynoveda, where you are taking the medicines. Number 2, you are taking you're following up with the PCOS diet, which is also major part of getting rid of PCOS, which is very, very important. You normally don't get to see that like in other programs. So Gynoveda is providing you that. Then there is this unconditional support that you get whenever you are having any questions related to the pill, or if you are having any questions related to the diet or any such questions, Gynoveda supports you there also. So I would recommend the 3x Gynoveda program. As Gynoveda says, jaldi nahi jad se.